Sairam dear children, today I am teaching cooking food class 3 EVS part 4 chapter 10. In part 3 I have explained to you about some of the important points to remember and exercise. Okay, so in this part let us continue the exercise. Okay. So, third main we have right, true or false. So, first question is cooking makes the food soft and tasty. Is this true or false, children? It is true. So, cooking makes the food soft and tasty. It is true. Okay. Second question. Baking is the process of cooking food in an oven. Is this true or false, children? What is the answer? So, the answer is true. Yes, baking is the process of cooking food in an oven. We bake cakes, bread, all these things. Okay? So, next, cakes and breads are roasted foods. Is this true or false, children? Yes, it is false. Cakes and breads are not roasted foods. They are baked foods. Okay? Fourth question. Most vegetables are cooked with water. Is this true or false, children? Tell me the answer. True. Most vegetables are cooked with water. Okay. So, next question is solar cooker uses sunlight as fuel for cooking. Is this true or false? So, the answer is true. Yes, solar cooker uses sunlight as fuel for cooking. Okay. So, now I'll give some options. You have to circle the odd one out. Okay. So, the options here are apple, mango, rice, papaya. So, now you have to circle the odd one. Which is the odd one here? It is rice. Why? Because apple, mango, papaya are fruits. Okay. Now, momos, idli, cake, dokla. So, now you have to circle the odd one out. So, cake is the odd one. Why it is? Because momos, idli, dokla are steamed food. But the cake is baked food. Okay, understood? Okay. So, next we have puri, idli, pakoras, samosa. All are very tasty, no? So, now you have to circle the odd one out. So, which is the odd one? Idli. Why idli? Because puri, pakoras, samosa, all these are fried food. Idli is steamed. Okay. So, next this one are oven, heater, hot plate, LPG. Here you have to circle the odd one out. So, LPG. Why LPG? Because oven, heater, hot plate uses electricity. Okay. But for LPG, that is liquid petroleum gas. Okay. So summary session: baking, chulhas, tandoors, stoves, cooking. Okay. So question section, I will give you match the following. Okay, you have to write down. So I will read out the question for you. First one, cooking. Second one, puris and pakora. Third one, brass and clay vessels. Fourth one, induction cooktop. Fifth one, solar cooker. Sixth one, stoves. So I will read the options here. A, runs on electricity. B, use kerosene. C, pollution free. D, kills germs. E, used in village. F, fried foods. Okay, keep practicing. I hope you all understood. Write down all these questions in your classwork and practice it. Okay children, thank you.